why a UXer should learn visual design or user interface design, and how you can learn it fast. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Adrian Soul. I'm here to help you better up your design career and become an elite designer faster. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and let's dive straight into the show. Well, first of all, why is it important for a UX designer to have any visual design or user interface skills? Well, whether you're an experienced designer and your skills are niched on a specific branch of the digital design industry, you're gonna need a bit of visual design skills and UI skills. Why? It just makes all your work sell better. All your work is gonna sell 10 times better, whether in a portfolio, in a client presentation, not having access to actual visual designers to help you on a project, or just trying to get stuff done and make it look like it's appealing to your audience. So you can be a great UX designer, but if your portfolio looks like the look and feel is not that great, then if your portfolio looks like it's been designed in Azure or Paint, most managers are just gonna pass on to the next candidate. Or if your presentation looks like that as well, your focus group or people in that room are gonna think you're a newbie, even though your content is great and your research is amazing. Plus, learning another skill within the same area, like an auxiliary skill like user interface design or visual design, will only make you a better designer. It will help you get closer to becoming an expert generalist, which is very common these days. A lot of UXers already, they master the UI and the visual design side of things. So you don't want to be left behind. So it will help you differentiate yourself from the crowds and from competition when it comes to candidates and finding a job. So how do you learn visual design fast? Well, number one, join an online program. Skillshare, Udemy, just Google it. I'm not gonna share exactly the course names or anything like that. Just use your common sense and jump into one of those online courses. Spend 1 or 2 hours on them. You don't have to become an expert UI designer or visual designer, but just hone those skills, right? So learn the fundamentals, learn the principles. You get the idea. My second tip would be very obvious, Captain Obvious here, practice. So go on Dribble, go on Behance, get inspired, pick up some interfaces, some, website designs, whatever you fancy that's in that spectrum, and copy it. Try to actually duplicate it. Doesn't matter the tool you're using, just try and duplicate those designs and apply some of the lessons you've learned from those online portfolios. Whenever you get stuck, jump on Google and ask the question and see what articles and other designers can help you with in the industry, and make it happen and practice. Spend a couple of hours, spend a couple of weeks. Hone it and own it. That sounds nice. Hone it and own it. Should be the other way around. Own it to hone it. No. Hone it and then you'll own it. Screw this. And you don't even have to publish that work. That's just for you to learn, to practice. You got it. My third and last tip and advice would be applying everything that you've learned. Take all those lessons, all those skills that you'll be honing within the visual design spectrum, and apply them. Apply them on your portfolio, apply them on some of the wireframes you've been designing recently if you're a UX designer only so far. Uplift those designs, make it pop. Gosh, I hate when people say that, make it pop. That's it. Now you own visual design skills and UI skills in 3 simple steps. So go out there and add those things to your portfolio. Why not? If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and stay tuned on this channel for more videos just like this one. If you have any questions regarding this specific video or general questions about career advice, getting into design, switching careers into UX, UI, or even portfolio related questions, hit me up in the comments below. I would love to answer them. Until next time, my name is Adrian Soul from FutureMoose, and I'm helping you better up your skills and scale up to an elite level fast.